Hi everyone. We will discuss about variables here. There are three types of variables. So one is local variable, instance variable, as well as static variable. So local variables are declared inside the method. Instance variables are declared outside the method but within the class. Static variables which are declared with the static keyword. Those variables we will call it as a static variables. So we have a definition here. You can able to see a variable declared inside the body of the method is called it as local variable. You can use this variable only within the method, and other methods in the class are not even aware that the variable is exist. A local variable cannot be defined within the static keyword. Okay, whatever the variable you will going to create, so that cannot be defined with the static. Again, instance variable. A variable declared inside the class but outside the body of the method is called instance variable. It is not declared as a static. You should not declare the instance variable as a static. It is called an instance variable because its value is instance specific and it is not shared among the instances. So that is one reason. Static variable. A variable that is declared as a static called as a static variable. It cannot be a local. You can create a single copy of a static variable and share it to among all the instances of the class. Memory allocation for the static variable happens only once when the class is loaded in the memory. This is what exactly we will going to understand about the local variable as well as instance variable. Let's see in the practical way. Say I created a class that is called as demo. So here I will want to declare a variable integer a is equal to some value I will want to provide 100. So this is what we call it as local variable. Okay, this is what we call it as local variable. So what we'll do, so we'll go to execute this variable. So here I will going to mention the variable name here, that is a. So when you run this program, immediately you can able to see the value in the console, that is 100. So you can see this, you can able to see the value 100. But one thing we need to understand, the difference between local variable and instance variable. When I create an instance variable, what happens here? Suppose example, basically according to the definition, I will want to create an instance variable integer x is equal to 10. If you want to access this instance variable, basically you need an object. If you don't have an object, definitely you cannot able to access this variable. So that is one big reason the instance variable cannot be accessed in the main method, okay, without creating an object. So for example, what I will going to do, I will going to create an object for instance variable x. For that, what I will going to do, I will going to create a class demo1. Again, I will say some variable like object obj. I will say object. I will going to create an object is equal to new dynamic memory allocation. Again, I will going to create a demo one. This is a default constructor. Enter. So now you can able to see I created an object. I wanted to access this instance variable, means I need an object. So that's why I created an object here. So what I will want to do, using an object, I will want to access that instance variable object dot. So you can able to see we are getting the variable here. So that's why enter and semicolon. So this is how we can able to access the instance variable. So what I will going to do, so I will going to store the data, whatever the data hex having, that data will be stored in particular variable. So let me call it as here I will want to say data that is equal to object.x. So what I will going to do now, so I will going to print this data over here, nothing but that variable, integer variable, that is data. Data. Just run it. See, we can able to access this one. So that is the difference between local variable as well as instance variable. When you create a local variable, So no need an object. So directly we can able to access it. When you create an instance variable, so we must create an object, we can able to access the instance variable. Again, when it comes to static variable, what are we going to do? Basically, you cannot create a local variable as a static, but here I will going to create a static, okay, static variable. Now, integer x is a static variable. Now, how to access this? There is no need of object here. So what I will do, I will going to comment this. So just comment this. So using class, we can able to access the static variable. So what is the class name? Basically demo one dot x. You can see x. So that's it, and semicolon. So here store this value, so x value into some other variable, like I will say something like integer, something like su, that is equal to, so demo.x. So I will going to print now. I will going to say su here. Now you can run this and execute this. So you can able to see. So you can able to access we using class. That is the difference when it comes to the static as well as instance. Instance required an object, but static doesn't require any object. So using class, we can able to access that particular variable x. So this is the difference between local variable, instance variable, as well as static variable. So I think everyone understood. Thank you very much. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.